Hi students, last video we have seen that multiple and factors. So what are the multiples and what are the factors we have seen already. Today we will discuss about the divisibility rules. Divisibility rules means the numbers which can divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So one by one we will take an example of the divisibility. So first of all, divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2. So 2. Divisibility rules. So divisibility rule of 2. The numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the unit place, that all numbers are divisible or exactly divisible by 2. Suppose there is a 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 on unit place. Then all the numbers are divisible by 2. Suppose we will take example 4328. On unit place there is a 8. On unit place there is a 8. That's why this 4328 divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2 without remaining any remainders. Then divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. Suppose the sum of all digits divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible, exactly divisible by 3. Suppose 135 this is the number, and we have to know whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So we will take the addition, or we will do the addition of all digits. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. So 9 is comes in a third table. That's why this 135 is exactly divisible by 3. Means the digit of 3, this 3 digit, and if we make an addition of the 3 digit and that addition is divisible by 3, then whole number is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 135 is exactly divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. Then divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. Suppose this one is 1, then 2 and there is 3. The last two digits divisible by 4, any number, and the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by this 4. 1300 and this 12. 1312. This 12 is the last two digit. So this 12 divisible by 4, exactly divisible by 4 without remaining any numbers. That's why this 1312 is exactly divisible by 4. I will take an example. Suppose 1928. This 28 can divide by 4, exactly divide by 4. That's why this 1928 also exactly divisible by 4. This is the divisibility rule of 4. And then we will discuss about the divisibility rule of 5. Any number which have 0 or 5 on ones place or unit place, then that number will exactly divisible by 5. Suppose 9855. 9855. So 0 or 5. This 5 is on unit place, and that's why this 9855 exactly divisible by 5 or divided by 5. So this is the divisibility rule of 5. Suppose we will take example 9,08,570. This is the given number. 9,08,570. This 70 means this 0 on unit place or ones place, and that's why this 9,08,570 exactly divisible by 5 or divided by 5. This is the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this way we can divide any number with the help of this divisibility rule. Again I will repeat it, divisibility rule of 2. If any number have 0 to 4, 6 and 8 on ones place or unit place, on that time that number will be exactly divisible by 2. Then 3. The sum of all digits can divide by 3. When that addition of that digits divide by 3, on that time we can say that all number or whole number is divisible by 3. Then last 2 digit is important in this divisibility rule by 4. Suppose last 2 digit is exactly divided by 4, on that time the whole number can divide by 4. And divisibility rule of 5, if there is a 0 or 5 on one place or unit place, on that time the whole number can divide by 5. So this is the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Further divisibility rule means 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 we will discuss in a next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.